everyone, I hope you are doing well. Finally, we are at the garden and the snow has melted but the ground is still frozen. But anyways, I received a challenge from Matthew Spatch from Australia on 5 things that I would miss if I couldn't garden.
Here it is. Number 1. Relaxing in our small backyard garden. I would greatly miss the pleasures of simply relaxing with a hot cup of tea in the garden, watching all the pollinators doing its own thing and listening to the sound of the birds, enjoying my surrounding.
I love walking around and checking my plants on how they're doing.
Number 2. Tomatoes. Wow, I would miss all the varieties of tomatoes in the garden from harvesting it, and the best part of it is to eat the fresh and juicy tomatoes.
Oh my, look at that. See that? So beautiful. We're going to try this. Mm-hmm. This is so tasty. This is so good.
Number 3. Flowers. I will greatly miss all the beauty of the flowers in our small garden. Looking at them makes me so happy and help me relax. Number 4. Berries. I would certainly miss the varieties of berries in our small backyard garden. The joy of picking the strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Enjoying a fresh cup of smoothies while overlooking the backyard from the comfort of our deck.
Mmm, very sweet.
Finally, number 5. Getting my hands dirty. Whether I'm digging up my compost, touching the worms, and cleaning the yard. These are all the 5 things that I will surely miss if I couldn't garden. How about you? Let me know if you like to do this challenge too. And don't forget to visit Matthew's Patch from Australia. My name is Anarika and thank you so much for watching. To help this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.